Hello guys, I want to show you how to make Rico Animations kinds of videos, and we are going to do farting tutorial. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon beside it, so that whenever I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to watch the video. Alright, so moving on with the tutorial. So open up your Flipaclip and we're going to name our project. So I'll name the project Rico Animations farting tutorial. Okay, that is what we are going to focus on, and it's on Flipaclip that we are going to be doing this animation. So click on this place now to add a background. So I've already designed my background. So if you want to learn how to design background, yes, I have a detailed tutorial videos on how to design any kind of background. So it's on my Telegram channel. So click in the link in the description of this video to get access to my Telegram channel. So moving on with the teaching, when you import your background, depending on your kind of video, if it's landscape, you have to zoom in, kind of scale the background to cover the screen very well. Then mark it, click on that grid over there to mark it. Then canvas size, if it is a YouTube video, that means it's going to be 1920 by 1080. That is normal YouTube landscape video. So when you click on it, then click on that icon over there to go back, then click on create project. So now we are set to animate our character. So I'm going to click on this place now, this layer panel. Click on it. You see we have layer 1, so click on that plus icon to add extra layer, then rename it to character. So I've already designed my character on a separate app. So if you want to learn how to design your character, I'm going to drop a video on my Telegram channel where you learn how to design your own character or your own Rico character. So once you are done naming it, then it's time for you to import your character. So click on these 3 dots over there, click on add image. So we are going to import our character. I've already designed the character already on a separate app. So this is my character. So you see the way the character was designed, so very easy. So yeah, you need to scale the character very well so that we can be able to see it on the screen. So when you zoom out, then use your lasso tool. See the lasso tool, see it here, lasso tool. So click on lasso tool, and then you'll be able to kind of lasso and select the character. Then you can now scale it up so that we can now see it clearly. You see the way I scaled it up. So I will scale it up. Now it's okay like that. Then I'm going to, you see the way the character position is his nyash to mess. Alright, so guys, so you position your character very well. Then go ahead and import the, click on this plus icon over there. Then when you then leave it on clone new frame, that plus icon will now duplicate your character. So it's only once that you will design the character. You see the way I'm placing the plus icon to add more frames. So that is how they do the animation. So when you have added enough frames, the next thing you need to add is to go to your layer and go to the farting layer, because you need to add 2 layers, the place you do your farting. So the lines of farting, that is the line of your mess. Let's show the line of the mess. So I've already designed all those things very easy. So there's an app I use for that one, for the designing, which allow me to design character. So if you want to get the app, just join my Telegram channel in the description, and you'll see a link to my Telegram channel. So when you join my Telegram channel, then you'll be able to contact me. You see the way I'm positioning the mess, because you need to add a line, a mess line, so that when the viewer see that mess line, they'll know that yes, this character is really messing. Yes, that messing is clearly coming out from this character and bomb bomb. All right, so click on this plus icon to duplicate, to copy copy that messing line that we designed, because we need to copy it so that the thing will now be playing. Like when you play the video, that messing line will be playing to show that there is air is coming out from this character's bomb bomb. You understand? So you add the because I added, then we need to add another messing frame so that the thing will look like the mess is changing, in terms of size and shape. You see, I've added a new messing. You see the way the character position is bomb bomb for the messing. So that is the way they do the animation. So you can now add another image again. So let me add another image again. You see, so when you add the image, use your lasso tool to select around it and then scale it up so that we can be able to see it clearly. So, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because this channel is dedicated to teach you about animation. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be the first to watch the video. And if you want me to make any kind of video, drop it in the comment section. I'll do a new video on that topic. So moving on with the tutorial now. See this kind of pose. So I also use that app I'm talking about to design this pose. So based on the app, you'll be able to know which pose to generate, which pose to design. Very easy. You see, now the character have to bend down to show that the mess is really coming out freely. You see the way I designed this one now. Very easy. If you are drawing on Flipaclip, it's going to be hard for you. Yes, because Flipaclip does not have all the tools they need. Although it is only good for animation, but that other app on my Telegram channel has all the features you need to design any character, Rico character to be precise, or any other kind of character. You see the way the character move from the way the bomb bomb is on the up, and then when the bomb bomb is on the ground, showing that this character is really messing things out. You understand? Alright, so you see, then you add the new mess and then position it to be close to the bomb bomb. See the way I position my own now to be very close to the bomb bomb. You see, so that when somebody see it, you know that this character is really having a learning stomach. Hey, alright. So add everything. Make sure that you position it very well. You understand? Make sure you position things very well, especially from the bomb bomb side. See the way I'm positioning everything, so make sure that everything is looking good. So if you want to learn how to design you see the way character is you see the way I was able to animate this character to do the messing. So the next thing now, we need to add the sound of the mess. So you can also do it on Flipaclip. You see the way the animation is looking. Alright, so if you want to learn more on how to create cartoon videos, just go to the description of this video. You will see my Telegram channel. You will see the link there. You join my Telegram channel there. You'll be able to contact me, and then you have access to the complete video on how to create Rico animation or even cartoon videos on your smartphone. Understand? So now let me add the voice. I've also done the voice. There's an app I used to do my voice very sharp. So for Flipaclip, what you need is mp3 format. That is what you need as your audio file type. It should be mp3. We also have wave format. We have wave format, we have AAC format. So but for Flipaclip, the one that works very well is mp3. So when you import the audio file, you see that there is a gap over there, so you need to click and drag to cover those gaps, you see. So you need to click on this edge now and then drag it, so that thing will now cut out those part that is silent. Also do for this other part. So you now have your audio file at hand, understand? So then mark it good, so the thing will now import. Then you need to drag it to the clip of where you want the voice to play. And you see I've dragged it to the place I want this sound to play. So let me now preview it. So let me preview it. So click on this play button there to preview your animation. You see see the way our character is fatting. See the way our character is fatting. So we are going to export this video so that we can be able to share it on social media platform. So click on this three dots over there, then click on make movie. Yes, click on make movie. Now everything is okay. You see that my Flipaclip is a pro version, so if you need this one that the logo will not show in the video, just reach out to me, join my Telegram channel and reach out to me. I will send the pro version of Flipaclip, the one that the Flipaclip logo will now appear as you export your video. So when you are done exporting your video, let's now play it and see how the thing is looking. Alright, so that will be the end of this tutorial. For those of you who need an advanced tutorial on how to make good animation videos on your smartphone, I have a course on that. All you need to do is to join my Telegram channel. There is a link in the description of this video. So join my Telegram channel and then you can contact me from there. I hope you got value from this tutorial. Alright, I will see you on the next video. Thank you.